Project name is eyeball movement based cursor control using Raspberry Pi and OpenCV. So in this we are using Raspberry Pi, OpenCV and Delips for the facial element detections. So in this we are using two algorithm like based on our eyes, we can control our mouse like scrolling and moving the cursors, and based on blink, it will show us a left click, right click and a double click. So this is our diagram. So we are using Raspberry Pi. After that, our camera will open. So in that, we are using two algorithms like eyeball movement. So based on that, our cursor will control like scrolling upside and downside both. And their eye blink is for a left click and a right click and a double click. So here we need to import the required libraries like CV2, PyAuto, GUI, NumPy, deletes, and p5.spatial time like that. So CV2 for the image processing and PyAuto GUI. This is for the control the cursors. So here we are keeping that PyAuto GUI dot false is equal to false. So if our cursor moves out of the screen, automatically it stops our program. So by using CV2.video capture, our webcam will open. So based on that, by using delete, it will predict our face. So this is function for the eye aspect ratio. So A is for left, B is for right, and C is for center. So A and B, it will calculate the distance vertically, and in C, it will calculate the distance at horizontally. So we are keeping alpha as 0.4. So this is for the movement of the mouse will be smooth. So at first we are keeping that blink start is equal to none, and this is our timing thresholds. Like we are using a left click, right click, and double click based on the blinks. So for a left click, I'm keeping a minimum time. At least our eye should close for 0.5 seconds to 1.0 seconds, and then within 3 seconds, if I blink twice means it will act as double blink. So if I close my eyes more than 1 second or 1.5 second, like that means it will trigger the right click. So I'm keeping a cooldown time is equal to 0.5. So every blink, after every blink, it will reset for the 0.5 seconds. So this is for our scrolling control. So I kept here for 30% of top screen for the upside scroll and 30% of bottom screen is for the downside scroll, and if my cursor is between that 40% means that scroll will not happen. So this is for the movement of the cursor. So see here for top 30% I'm keeping the scroll up, and bottom 30% I'm keeping the scroll down. So this is our main loop. First, it will read our frame. If images is not displayed in the frame, it will show one message as failed to capture the images. So for this, light source is very important. So based on that condition, it will show our own messages. So before, as I said, no, blink 0.5 second to 1 second, which means it will trigger the left click. So if it is more than 1 second means it will trigger the right click. So within 3 seconds, if the blink time equal to twice, like a 2 time if I blink means it will trigger the double click. After that, if we press Q means automatically it stops our program. So and it will release it. Now I will run and show this code. Light source is important. So based on light source only, it will detect our face, and then in face it will detect our eyes. So it is detecting my eyes. So I blinked twice within 2 seconds, within 3 seconds. So it triggered the double click. So just I closed my eyes, 0.5 second to 1 second. So it shows that left click. So now I will close my eyes. So it is showing that the left click. So I will see that scroll. For the scroll, I just open on Wikipedia. So now I will show this. So see, my cursor is went upside 30% of my screen. So it is scrolling upward. So same like that, if my cursor is comes down at the bottom of the 30% means it will scroll up. It is scrolling, right? So light source is very important for this. If it is properly detected our eyes means it will scroll smoothly.